Hi everyone, I am Krish Verma, currently interning as a mobile application developer at Crakcode. I wanted to take a moment to share my experience here. Through this internship, I have learned a lot, especially working with Kotlin multi-platform for cross-platform applications, and I've also become confident using Jetpack Compose, which has been a huge boost to my skill set. Here at Crakcode, we follow industry standard app architecture, best practices, and multi-module project structure, which has really helped me to understand how things work in real-world projects. Tarun sir has guided me on Android interview questions for product-based companies, and on weekends, he would assign learning tasks like MVI architecture, unit testing, Kotlin flows, and which have significantly expanded my knowledge. And by the way, you can check out some of these learnings on my Medium profile if you are interested. In the end, I would like to say that I'm incredibly thankful to Tarun sir for their mentorships. And also, if you are looking to grow in mobile development, I highly recommend you to check out Crack Code. And overall, it's been a great experience here. Thank you.